Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2014 Chrysler Town Country Touring. This is a 7-passenger 4-door minivan in silver. Under the hood you'll find a 3.6 liter V6 riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, roof rails, power sliding doors, and power liftgate. But why don't we hop inside this Chrysler and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, our power liftgate button, and our sliding door buttons for the rear passengers. So to open up, just press that unlock button once. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom, you do have some nice storage space. Above it, you have this nice little handle. You can fit some things in there as well. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Equipped with black cloth seating, and on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. And now let's hop inside and start it up. Just put the key fob right in there and the vehicle will turn on for you. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. You got these arrows here, and this will help you navigate through your multi-information display right up there. You got a couple screens going. On the right, you do have your cruise control settings. And before we move on to our entertainment display, just going to show you that this Chrysler does have 134,782 kilometers on it. Now we're going to look at our entertainment display here. Right now we are on radio. You have your standard AM and FM, of course. If we press media, you also have a choice between disc and auxiliary. Right here you do have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. And there's that backup camera, nice and clear. Below it you do have this nice little clock. Your climate control settings, it is a dual zone system, so you can adjust the temperatures on both sides. Moving down, you have a nice little storage compartment. Slide that open. And there you have some storage as well as a 12-volt outlet. 2 cup holders, more storage space that also slides closed. Lastly, we're going to take a look on the passenger side. You press this, you got a shelf up top, and in here, lots of room in this glove box. It does also feature your owner's manual. So now let's just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, we're going to take a look in the back first, and to do so, just press and hold that button right there, and that sliding door will open on its own. Continuing with the black cloth seating, lots of space. In the center here, if we just press this, the rear passengers have their own little storage compartment and 2 cup holders. Behind the driver and passenger seats, you do have this little net. And lastly, these seats do fold. Just press that, and they transform into that, and that'll give you access to the cargo and the 3rd row seating. So to open up, all you got to do is press and hold this button on your key fob, and that liftgate will open on its own. Lots of cargo space in here. Of course, we have the 3rd row seating that is down. And the 2nd row seating does go down as well, providing you with some extra bit of cargo space. In the sides here, you do have 2 cup holders and a nice little shelf. On the left side here, you do have another little storage compartment. If we look to the right, press that button, this comes out, and you got a nice little flashlight. And to close up, there's a button right on the left here. Just press that, and that power liftgate will close right on its own. Taking a last look at our 2014 Chrysler. Once again, some of those great interior features include your 7-passenger heated seats, hands-free calling, and backup camera. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.